Working in the physical and digital mode is the future, meaning to work in the hybrid mode. And I mean this, that we can actually have physical meetings, be at the working place and meet and so on, but this is limited if you want to have international collaboration. Naturally, you cannot meet as often if you have international partnership and international team, but you can meet online and discuss things and so on. And then you can meet physically from time to time, like at conferences or workshops where we have events. And in such way, we collaborate personally. We build a team together as persons. And we have our competencies. And then we are managing to have international projects with different aspects of culture, competence, and different disciplines. And that is the new way of working. So basically, I can sit over there, the corner of my house, to have meetings and so on with someone in India, Africa, or inside Sweden we can do it, and then discuss things, and then we meet from time to time. And like I was in India for a 2-week trip just before Christmas, and there we had planned to have the meetings regularly at different places according to a schedule. We had 3 conclaves, like conferences, and then we had meetings with partners during these 2 weeks, or 16 days it was actually. And in such way we met physically and could discuss closer about some things. And then we got understanding more of each other's. We made visits at labs and at spaces where there's water recovery and so on for the water conservation projects which we are now initiating and so on. So we saw the real stuff and we met the real people. And next time we will meet somewhere else, maybe in Sweden, at this place where we have now a lot of snow. And then we will understand more of each other's cultures and personalities, different countries, and then the international collaboration becomes globally relevant from the beginning. So this is the future, and if we manage to do this, we can create fantastic projects which have global impact to make societal impact. These are big words with visions, but we can make it if we do this together. And then it will be a natural way for us how we can proceed with our ideas and build them jointly in teams, collaborations, partnerships, and then we implement it, we collaborate over time, so we increase the technology readiness levels, first project, second project, third project. Each time we increase it, we establish the value chain, the supply chain, each time, and over the years it will create a technology, maybe a key enabling technology, which revolutionizes the society. This is what we are doing, and this is a part of the future. I'm shoveling a little bit of the snow this afternoon for me.